Sunda versus Inggris. Oke, saat ini kita bakal sebutin terkait waktu ya antara Sunda dan Inggris. My name is Diki. So what's your name?
Jan.
Jan from England.
England.
Okay.
Yeah.
6 a.m.
Dawn.
Dawn. Okay. In Sunda we say balebat isuk. How about 8 a.m.?
Morning.
Morning. Okay. In Sundanese we say hanut moyan atau isuk-isuk. 12 a.m.
12 a.m. would be midday.
Midday. In Sunda we say tengah poe. 15 a.m. or 3 a.m. 3 p.m.
3 a.m. 3 p.m. That'd be afternoon.
Afternoon. In Sunda we say sapanon poe satungtung. 5 a.m.
5 p.m.
5 p.m. Okay, 5 p.m.
5 p.m. would be evening.
Evening. In Sunda we say Sariak Layu. 6 p.m.
6 p.m. still evening.
In Sunda we say Sarupna. 9 p.m.
9 p.m. would be night.
Night. In Sunda we say Sarereh Budak. 12 a.m.
Midnight.
Midnight. In Sunda we say Tengah Peting. Okay, nice to meet you, Jan.
You too.
I hope I will go to your country.
Yes, you should.
I hope. Okay.
Some good.
See you soon.
See ya.